I was just 3 years old when this ancient relic of a PC case came out, and now built it out with modern hardware, and we're giving it away. Let's take a second to admire this beautifully hand airbrushed Alienware case that we got from our friend at PC Philanthropy. Now this case is actually a bit of a relic in the PC industry. You might have seen this before. The actual artwork itself is from the P40 Flying Tiger, and it was commissioned by a local artist, Peter Frischetti. And Peter wanted some crazy detail here on this airbrush work. There are so many details going around the case, from this custom vent design here to even all the little rivet details with shadows and highlights painted on there. On this side panel, we have a lot of little details from this tiger logo up here. I'm guessing this is the flying tiger symbol. We have a bunch of other little painted accents. The P40 front face of it is basically creating this really neat 3D effect on the front here. Even though it's just airbrush, if you stand back far enough, it has this really interesting 3D effect. Continuing around the other side of the case, it's more of the same, still super detailed work here. And then of course his name at the bottom. Coming around to the top of the case actually is one of my favorite details. This is the pilot, the very top. And fun fact, this top pilot was actually an afterthought from PC Philanthropy, but luckily Peter was able to add it in. Now the internals of this system are very heavily modified, almost a sleeper build of sorts. We ended up mounting a bottom radiator here, as well as a top one inside the drive bays, just to maximize the thermal capacity of the water cooling loop. That way we can confidently cool the i7 13700KF and the 4070 Ti we're running inside of here. We also have 32 gigabytes of Kingston Beast memory and a 1TB M.2 in there. Most of the water cooling that you see here is EK for their fittings, pump res combo, and tubing. A couple of the other parts here might be Alpha Cool for the radiators and the CPU block. A big challenge with what you see here was actually getting these front radiators installed and having the clearance for them. So to actually achieve that, we did have to chop out a good chunk of the front of the case for both the bottom and the top radiator. That way we can get at least some airflow to pull across the case here. With this bottom 240 radiator and the 120 up top, we've essentially created a 360, which is more than enough to cool these components. But over here on the front, we also have just a little bit of additional airflow by completely opening up this drive bay for that top fan. And shout out this little Windows XP Home Edition here. Maybe you try to activate it. Maybe it works. And on to the main event, the giveaway. Except this won't be like any typical giveaway. We're not here to farm engagement, boost likes and comments and all of that stuff. We would love to give back to veterans specifically, and this giveaway will be only for veterans. If you're a veteran, you can go to metapcs.com/giveback and enter to win. Once the giveaway is ended, we'll pick a winner, verify their eligibility, and then make an announcement. So we would still appreciate it if you could like and comment, share it with your veteran friends and family, and get the word out about this awesome, one-of-a-kind Alienware sleeper build that they can enter to win.